gastric lavage tube, stomach wash tube, valve tube, Boyes tube, orogastric tube made up of rubber and plastic mouth gag, parts as tip, tube proper suction bulb, siphon, mouth gag and funnel length 1.5 meter, diameter, half inch indication, removal of unabsorbed ingested poison, some parental poison, and to administer specific antidote, contraindication, absolute. Corrosives except carbolic acid, relative common. Conversion patient, petroleum distillate, children volatile poisons. Position during the procedure, left lateral head low position because the stomach greater curvature is on left side and to prevent aspiration. Lavage fluid, normal saline or water, warm water or activated charcoal or potassium permanganate. This is gastric lavage, also known as Boyes tube, stomach wash tube, valve tube, or gastric tube. Absolute corrosives except carbolic acid. Thank you.